Okay, so let's talk about a few important formulas that we can use for factoring. The first one is the difference of the squares. And so x squared minus y squared is x minus y times x plus y. You can check this by basically foiling it out and realizing that terms x times y, there's a negative x times y and a positive x times y. And so that's one of them that we have to always remember. Then we have x cubed minus y cubed, and this is going to be x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. You can check this again by foiling to see the answer. Here we don't have factoring for x squared plus y squared into real factors, so that's out. But over here we do have factoring for x cubed plus y cubed, and this time instead of minus over there you have a plus, and in here you have a minus. So basically x cubed plus y cubed and x plus y factor have the same signs, and over here also, and then x times y factor has a different sign from here. Then there's variety of things that you can do. Let's say if I want to factor x to the fourth minus y to the fourth. Here I can imagine x to the fourth is x squared to power 2 and y to the fourth is y squared to power 2. So I can use the first one and I get x squared minus y squared times x squared plus y squared. So what happened? Here my new x and here is my new y in that formula. Or you can change the name of this formula so you can actually say different things in here. So you can write this as, let's say a is substitution for x squared and b is substitution for y squared. And this becomes this. And then a minus b times a plus b. A was x, b was x squared, b was y squared. So you get the same answer. So you either can do it in one step or take the time to do the substitution. Sometimes we call it u substitution. Here we called it a substitution. I decided the x squared is a good substitution for one variable and y squared is a good substitution for another variable, so I can have this format basically. But am I done in here? No, I can use this formula one more time. So x minus y times x plus y times x squared plus y squared. And then all sort of formats can happen. Let's say, what do I do if I have x cubed minus 27? Can I use the cubic form? Yes, because 27 can be written as third root of 27. In this case, actually, it's a real, it's integer, and that would be 3 to power. So 27 is 3 to power 3. And so here I can write, use this and say my y is equal to 3. So x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. And now put the y back in, a 3 here, a 3 here, and a 3 here. And it gives me x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9. And that's another way of factoring. So these factoring formulas, these three, please remember those or memorize them. It makes your factoring a lot easier.